Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about something essential for anyone venturing into the world of online business. Small business or about patience and consistency. As I have been running my own small business for the past 5 or 6 months, I have seen firsthand the power of dedication and hard work in driving results. Ever dreamed of being your own boss? Starting an online business could be the answer. First step is idea. What are you passionate about? Every successful business starts with a strong idea and a clear strategy. What should be your product? How much will it cost? And where can you find suppliers? Do your product research, pricing research, and supplier research. Surveys and competitive analysis are your secret weapons. Before you launch, take the pulse of the market. Find the products and ways how to manufacture it, or find the best suppliers. Now the next step is business name and logo. ChatGPT is well known to find a perfect name, and Canva for logo design. Next is investment. Think of your investment as planting seed. They will blossom into a thriving online business with proper care. Invest into 3. Promotion on social media, cost of packaging material and product. Explore the cost-effective options for product creation, packaging and promotion. But yes, promotion is an extra procedure. Treat consistency like your best friend. Let's take an action step. It's about start organizing your material or product and preparing social media next. Purchasing. Easily search online store or visit local market. Purchase products and packaging material. Also list some studio items. A look of my mini studio, some white and pink combination. Most important step, make an account of COD account in courier company. Timely deliveries are like a high five to your customers. There are many national and international courier companies ready to help you. Working online mainly depends on the photographs. Yes, lighting is essential for good pictures. Make accounts on social media platforms. The main benefit of doing business online is using digital platforms, and Instagram hold a major part of it. First, create Gmail account. Then create TikTok and Insta account. Find the right posting frequency and content mix that works best for your audience. Let's discuss promotion and PRs. Consider influencer marketing to reach the right target audience. The road to entrepreneurial success is not always easy, but the journey will worth it. This is all about a business. Start with small, but let it get bigger. Thank you for watching and must subscribe for more interesting videos.